Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix group policy editor not showing or not working in Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. The link to the software will be provided in the video description box. After downloading, open the software. Right click the software. Then select Run as Administrator. Wait a while. After the process is complete, restart your computer once. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.